Hi.
He's so cute.
He thinks that I'm like a push.
Oh, look at him.
I dare you to pet it.
He's so cute.
I dare you to pet it. No, it's illegal to touch them.
Is it?
Yeah.
You can swim with them. What do you mean? No.
Yeah, it doesn't mean swimming with them doesn't mean.
Got prop marks.
Wow, he's beautiful.
I can't help if it touches you. Come back, friend. Good morning.
He said that too.
Nice. Sounds like I missed some stuff. I am so tired.
That's the only reason
I have no idea what we're doing today, but I need food and coffee. I'm so tired. Here we go. I got my iced mocha. Quiche Lorraine. Oh boy. Yum. Alright, time to eat.
I'm just saying there.
I'm ready.
He's probably a 12-year-old little.
What is that, quiche?
Oh god.
Quiche Lorraine.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm. That's pretty good.
So last night on that half-sunken
Yum.
boat, Cassidy. Oh, she's lying.
Yeah, I have no idea where the light.
See that boat way out there? It looks like it's abandoned. It's like
Damn, that's
leaning up
heartbreaking.
on the mangroves or
Nice
whatever, and someone left it. But last night they said they saw lights inside. So we have no idea what's going on over there. Interesting. Spooky. Do 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 do. What is up, guys? We are on our way to Key West. We decided to drive up today, spend the day there. We've been driving for, I think about an hour now, maybe. I think we might be going to the Butterfly Garden, but we just stopped to use the bathroom at the Visitor Center here in Big Pine Key. It's exciting!
The garlic and herbs.
Look at this. Spicy chicken biscuit. Look at the size. So I decided not to bring my camera to this part because it's really hot out and I don't feel like carrying it right now. So I figured I'll just film what I can with my phone, enjoy, be a little bit more present. We just ate and it was so good, but I'm so full. Alright, we are headed to the butterfly gardens. It's supposed to be really pretty, and I'm very excited.
So I'm just gonna get you all a hand stamp. With your stamp and your receipt, you can come in and out until 4:30 today.
We are at the butterfly gardens, and they don't want us to talk once we go outside, so I'm just gonna be filming and enjoying the experience. Check this out.
Indian monarch up there. That one's beautiful. Really, that one.
After a day of hanging nearly motionless,
And so is this one. Holy crap. But if I saw that, you guys
the larva's body was broken down into a liquid form.
Yeah, I thought it was a thing like this. Like, I'm sure it's like a, oh, there's actual like blood.
Yeah, I think they could do that. Or proboscis. When these fine preparations are crucial, another unique insect is ready to fly. This change of form or metamorphosis from egg.
Alright, here we go.
Fireflies out.
Someone tell you? Watch out.
Oh my god, I have one on me!
Oh, it's right on your crotch.
No, it's not.
You want me to get it?
Wait, I gotta change this one.
And I'm just holding on to it so I don't drop it.
Wait, which one's okay? Look, I have one on me. How do I take it? So that was awesome. We just left the butterfly museum, conservatory, gardens, whatever it's called. If you ever come to Key West, that is a must do. It was really cool, and one landed on me. It was so cute. So that made me really happy. And now we're just headed back to the car. It was so peaceful and calm. That's why I didn't talk that much. made it back. Time for dinner and relaxing. We made it back. Made it back. Ah, what a day. Time to chill. Okay, so I got this light bulb at a store in Key West. It's made by an artist, and this is acrylic, and there's colors inside. Everyone is made different. None are the exact same. And so me and my sisters, we each got one, right? And I cannot wait to put this in my room at home and light up my room above my bed. So I adjusted the settings on my camera so you could kind of see it as if it was dark out, but it just lights up. Good morning, fam. I am up super early. I wanted to go to this little park across the street and maybe try to get some sunrise shots. There's quite a bit of clouds, so I don't know for sure if I'll be able to see the actual sun. We'll find out, but yeah, it is early. I went to bed last night. Not super late, but I was so tired. We got back, I changed, we watched a movie, had my dinner. That was about it. That was a fail. The park that I wanted to go to that I saw on the maps, they don't open for sunrise. They open a little bit after, and I can see the sunrise coming up now. And either way, it was closed with a gate or like a fence actually. So I had no way to get over there, so I drove for a little bit to see if there was anywhere along the islands or anywhere along the highway where I could get like as close as possible to the water. And there wasn't really anything, so what I might do is try and like scout some places today on Google Maps and then try again tomorrow. Today's the last full day. Tomorrow's when we leave, but I can get up early and do that before we hit the road and head home. You guys just missed the rooster going off. Oh, there you go. Just woke up not too long ago. Can't be super long, but we are about to head out. Again, we're gonna go get breakfast, I guess, or brunch somewhere. So then I think we're gonna go out on the boat again, but I'm not sure yet. They said it's really, really windy out today, but yeah, they're waiting on me, so I gotta go.
thinks that I'm like a bush.
Oh, look at him. I dare you to pet it. He's so cute. I dare you to pet it. No, it's illegal to touch them. Is it? Yeah. You can swim with them. What do you mean?
No,
Yeah, it doesn't mean swimming with them doesn't mean.
Got prop marks.
Wow, he's beautiful. Can't help if it touches you. Come back, friend. Oh my goodness. So we just got back from being out on the boat and it was super fun as always. We got to snorkel a lot more and we saw a lot more stuff this time. Chloe, what'd you think?
About.
The snorkeling on the boat today compared to the other day?
It's fun.
Yeah.
Swagalicious, if you ask me.
I'm always recording when I'm up here. I just noticed that. We got to figure out dinner for tonight. I got up, we like went to breakfast and it was rushed and we had to be quick. And then we came back here and they were like, let's go on the boat. And I had to rush, be quick and get out on the boat. Tomorrow we go home. But today was a lot of fun. And I am loving this sun shirt that I got and this hat. And my shades too. I'm very happy with the purchases that I made.
Get to that wall.
Yeah.
And then
Good morning. 9:49 a.m. We're all packed up, ready to go. I'm very tired. I need my coffee. I'm just sitting here, chilling for a little bit before I bring the second batch of stuff out to my car. After the boat, we got ready and we went and got dinner. Went to Puerto Vallarta Mexican restaurant. It was really good. I got tacos and we came back here. Just hung out together and then I went to bed kind of early. Bye, beautiful houseboat. Bye-bye! You'll be daily missed. You'll be daily missed, houseboat. Oh, so much.
pretty angry. Yeah.
Alright. Goodbye. I shall miss thee. Alright, we are gonna head out and go to breakfast together and then hit the road and go home.